catch up for us. It's so tender, it picks it up. It grows it.
Dad, that thing isn't caught up to him. He's torn out.
It will.
I don't know if she's behind him now.
Be an easy job,
Yeah, right.
right?
Yeah.
That's it.
So
You
he's
plant it by
pouring.
machine,
He's pouring it into
put it
her
on the water,
truck.
let it grow.
When
stop
she's
the water,
full,
harvest
she is
it,
going to turn
send
around and
off the market, you got the money.
she's got a different hose funnel thing that she will then pour it into one of the grain carrying vehicle trucks, which are over here. She drove up to one of them and they poured it back into the one of the back ends of those trucks.